So guys, today I'm going to be creating a CUNY subway ad, Degrees Without the Debt. This one that I've been seeing in the train. A lot of my friends have been asking me, like, I'm in the film industry, I do film, I do photography. What's going on with the film industry? There's no work, right? What I'm gonna be doing today, I'm kind of exploring like a top-down look on why companies will be less likely to hire, photographers, videographers, or pay for shoots like this. A shoot like this, I'm assuming, let's say it costs $5,000, right? You pay the actors, pay production, pay for location, and then I don't know how much it costs to run the ad, but I'm just gonna give it a budget of like $5K, right? So like, let's say CUNY was like, all right, let's spend $5,000 on a production like this. Also eat breakfast. But today, I'm gonna be doing it. I can't talk while I'm eating. I'm gonna be doing it inside of Midjourney. Using this as my reference image, I'm going to create something similar. So today I'm using Midjourney 5. So initially I wasn't paying for Midjourney. I was like, let me just keep making new Discord accounts to use it when I need it. But then since V5 is only available on the paid version, I was like, all right, let me just pay for it. It's $10 a month, but I don't like paying for nothing I don't need, but I'm paying for it. All right, so this is what I came up with at first. I'm not mad at this. And I think I typed in photorealistic. I'm going to try a photo. This time we're not doing photorealistic. Edited a few of the images, the prompts. This one looks a lot more realistic. Wow. The glasses on give it a little razzle dazzle. A photo is definitely different from photorealistic. I think we had to do that on V4, but now it's V5, so we just type on a photo. I want him to be holding it over his shoulder. Okay, so we do got a globe in the background. I don't know if this necessarily looks like the Flushing Globe. These people do look like people I know. I feel like AI is how God creates people. People don't exist. They look like they can be real people. Like that's Hannah. We are getting closer from where we started, but we still can't get him holding it over the shoulder. Can't forget the gushes, man. AI can't replace this. Not at all. I like this one. For some reason, we can't get it over their shoulder. This is actually really interesting. Like, we're creating a whole ad today. Now they're only wearing the hat. Nobody's holding anything over the shoulder. And honestly, guys, now this can just be one person's job. You see how much time that I'm spending here trying to get an ad that's, like, similar to what we want. This could be, like, the mood board that we get from, like, the design team. And now instead of hiring a photographer and, going on set and, hiring actors and all that stuff, somebody's job is just going to be sitting here. What I'm doing is typing in prompts. This looks good. Let's do that. Let's edit this, right? And then what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to make the ad. I'm just going to use Canva, right? It doesn't look like I can get the graduation gown over the shoulder. Dark-skinned man, Asian woman, they both had the hats on. We didn't get the gowns over the shoulder. I just want to do this for the sake of time. But, all right, I'm going to use this one. Yeah, and the globe is not exactly the globe we were talking about. I mean, it's not the actual globe in Flushing. And guys, I feel like with this AI, like I'm seeing a lot of videos, people are just like, oh my gosh, you can do this. Oh my gosh, you can do this. Oh my gosh, you can do this. Mind blown, mind blown, mind blown. But I feel like it's time to stop being mind blown. It is what it is. It's time to start using it. It's time to start putting it into practice. It's time to start, because at this point, literally nothing can surprise me. The only thing I'm going to change in this photo is going to be photo that's in here. Turn that black. And guys, there you go. AI image. People do not exist. I am not mad at it. We couldn't get them over the shoulder, but instead of spending whatever this shoot costs, distribution not even gonna touch, because it costs a lot. It probably costs money to get it in the train stations and spread across the city. But so far we got two people that we took them out. We used the same background, right? Because we wasn't going to get a consistent background that actually matched what was going on, and we couldn't get the thing over the shoulder. But what we did do, we got two people who could be real people, and we masked out the background. We put them inside of this background over here, and this was the final result. My point is that the industry is changing for filmmakers, for videographers, and especially for photographers, right? If I can do this as an institution, right, from my computer, I do not have to go out and get the photo to own the rights anymore. We're literally doing that sitting down at a desk. It's an office job now. This type of marketing will be an office job. If I can get this from my desk and get variation from this took about 20, 30 minutes. I could have took quicker if I knew what I was doing. Corporations are not going to be going to photographers anymore and paying y'all big bucks, especially if they can do it like this. And especially if time is money. Why would they go hire y'all to take a photo in front of the clothes, right? When I could do this right here from my desk for $10 a month. It's going to save companies millions of dollars. Why would they hire a photographer anymore? Maybe if you want a specific person, cool. Especially companies that don't care who's in, like the person that's in the shot. Companies will definitely start doing this. Companies are probably already started doing this. So the photo industry is in shambles right now, right? A bunch of photographers are moving on to different things just because companies, institutions, corporations, right, where you're getting these big checks before to do like campaigns and stuff. If they can do this shoot in 20 minutes and then just pay for distribution, why am I then paying, let's say the shoot costs $5,000 to go and get it shot on location? Man, anyway, thanks for watching. I'm ending this video right here. I finished my sandwich and shoot, man. AI is crazy.